If your knees feel stiff, weak, or achy, then this is a session for you. Join me as we enhance flexibility, circulation, and knee stability, all while entirely seated in a chair. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated knee raise march. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your core engaged, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Begin to extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, making it as big or small as comfortable. Increasing circulation through your lower body, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles, while creating more mobility in your joints. Pause with your right leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy through your toes, the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your left leg. When you're ready, begin to gently extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue moving at your own pace, making this movement as big or as small as comfortable, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy through your toes, the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your heel. With your core engaged, begin to lift and lower through your right leg, keeping your right leg active, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, working to keep your leg extended without locking your knee as you lift and lower, gradually increasing your range of motion. Adding on, keep your leg extended and begin to make small circles, moving in a clockwise direction, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, resting when you need to. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. As you practice this movement, keep your spine long and your core engaged, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, keep your left leg extended and begin to make small circles in a clockwise direction. As you switch directions, keep your core engaged, working to keep this movement slow and controlled rather than using momentum. Release and return to center, moving into seated calf rocks. With your feet flat, rock gently from heels to toes, boosting your circulation, strengthening through your calves and shins, while creating more mobility through your feet and ankles. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide, plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.